How to get working Domino's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box or there type in Domino's promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Domino's. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 25% off, $30 off, 50% off, and many more. You can hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you will get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy the code, then click on redeem at Domino's Pizza. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you are in the official website of it, log into your account, make your purchase, and process to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over here, type in the code and confirm your order. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Domino's. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you are in this website section, you can also check out other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Domino's. So this way you can easily get a working Domino's promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.